If you missed it, right at the end of the 250 main, that right there happened. And if you look at the over under, you can see a bike hanging off the side and a rider down, which is Lorenzo. And I'm gonna butcher this, and I'm sorry. It's Lorenzo Locurcio. I'm sorry. I don't. It's butchered. But you can see from this right at the very end, you can see Swole taking the inside outside of this switch, and there's the Gator driving straight across the track in the middle of like at the end of the race. You can kind of see it if you slow it down. It was driving right across the track as there's bikes going. There's no flaggers here, at least that I can see. And it's crazy to think that in the middle of the race, you have something like the Gator just driving right across the track into the racing line. And obviously, nothing happened. So you can't say, oh no, it could have been worse. Like, it could have been worse, obviously, if Swole hit it. But obviously, you have to be, as a rider, be able to miss some obstructions, let's put it that way too. But I have no idea. As far as I'm looking, I haven't seen anything about what happened to him or any update yet. Hopefully he's fine. But I mean, if you fall off the side of the over under, you're jumping, what are they, 8, 10 feet for just the over under by itself. Coming off the lip, you're probably 15, 20 feet in the air and then straight down into the ground. Hopefully he's fine. Hopefully it's not as bad as it looks like it could be. But any update, or as soon as I find out, I will make another video and let you guys know. But in the comments below, tell me what you think. Tell them, get well soon, whatever it is. What did you think of Daytona? Are you happy? Jet 1, are you happy? The McAdoo and PC guys made it through another race. Whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.